Luxury Tridel condo located in the center of North York. Minutes to Highway 401, transit, city center, library, supermarket, banks, schools, and many shops restaurants on Yonge Street. 9-foot ceiling with gorgeous laminate floor throughout. Functional kitchen with spacious dining and living area. Top amenities featured guest suite, party room, fitness center, game room and much more. Extras: stainless steel fridge, stainless steel cooktop, stainless steel built-in oven, stainless steel microwave, dishwasher, washer and dryer, all electrical fixer, 1 locker and 1 parking space.